Hey guys, today's video is a get ready with me and I hope you like it. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I guess this is where I do the walk of shame again because yeah, it's been like 3 months since I posted a video. But your girl is done with studying, so I have a bit more free time now. So hopefully that means more content coming your way soon. So thank you for the people that, have stayed subscribed. And thank you for the new subscribers as well. Thank you guys. And, nice to see you guys here. So today's video, I don't want to talk too much. I'll probably just put, what's it called? Music over this. But it's just a get ready with me. Just me getting ready to go get some food. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. You know what, that's a lie, because in this video I use some products that you haven't seen me use on my channel before, so maybe I'll pop in here and there just to talk about this product. But yes, it's minimal talking. Okay, bye. So just a bit of information about this hair that grows out of my scalp. Just a bit of information about this wig. So this wig actually came with highlights, but I didn't like it, so I dyed the whole unit chocolate. I'll put a picture of what the wig used to look like, and it was just too much for my skin tone, so yeah. So I just dyed it chocolate brown. I'll put the dye in a picture up as well for the dye. So I thought, let me try doing some curls and some waves, and I'm terrible with things like that. Like, I'm actually so bad. I cannot curl my wig to save my life. But I think I tried. The curls were somehow curling, somehow not curling, but listen, yeah, sha curl somehow sha. So we have some sort of curls going on. I mean, some parts are looking a bit ooh, but practice makes perfect. So I'll try next time again. And I think, yeah, so everything else, the descriptions, or rather the products, will be in the description box. Any questions, please leave a comment and I will be back soon. So what I do these days is do my foundation, put on my concealer, but then let my concealer sit for a bit, and I'll do my eyebrows, then I come back to my concealer. And honestly guys, I've been loving it. The other thing I've been doing quite differently these days is, rather than using the 99p packs pencil, listen, this pencils saved my life. I've been using these micro pencils now. So this one is from Maybelline, I believe, is the Ultra Brow Pencil. But I also have the NYX Brow Pencil, and there's another one as well, Makeup Obsessions or something like that. But these pencils they're lit, they're quite expensive though. They're like £10, but they're making sense, sha. So I like using them, but occasionally I still go back to my 99p pencils, to be fair. But these ones are just so precise, it's really nice. So the other thing I do as well, so after I do my brows, I've concealed it, I'll spray my face with a setting spray just to get the concealer moving again. Then I'll blend it out with a beauty blender, but then I go over it again with my foundation brush over the edges of the concealer. Honestly guys, this gives such a flawless finish. Like, you wouldn't know where your concealer started, where it ended, but you still have your highlights. It just makes sense, okay? It makes big sense, period. While I was doing this, I forgot to actually cover the top part of my lip with my concealer. So yeah, bad move, but you can't really tell, but still, yeah, I forgot. So this is me just going over the edges of the concealer with my foundation brush just to make everything a bit more seamless. Honestly guys, it really makes sense when you do it like this. It really, really does. One thing I don't like about making tutorials is, you know, like some faces, you pull some faces and you're just like, what kind of face is this that I'm pulling? Like, this is an ugly face. Like, what is this? And I'd rather the world don't see that. But you know what, yeah, it is what it is. Let's just take it like that. So these days as well, I use this foundation stick from, I cannot remember the name right now. When I do, I'll put it in the description box. So you guys will recall that I used to use the L'Oreal, but that shaping stick was struggling because first of all, they don't sell it anymore. So it was really, I can't find it. I just can't find it. So I had to get something else. And it was quite dark for my face as well. So this one's a bit better. It's just slightly darker than my foundation. So it gives that contour kind of like effect, but it doesn't make me look like I'm doing blackface. Do you get what I mean? So it's nice. Now this is where I did big mess up, man, mess up. Because obviously I've set my concealer already. Then I looked at myself and I thought, I want that a bit brighter. I want like the inner corners a bit lighter and brighter. So I thought, you know what, let me risk it. I shouldn't have. I really shouldn't have. Big mess up. Don't do it. Don't do it. The fingers crossed was not crossing, it uncrossed. Don't do it. It was just, it came out patchy. It wasn't cute. It wasn't cute. It wasn't cute. Don't do that, guys. It took a lot of efforts to fix it, so don't do that. So the new thing I've been using these days is that Morphe face palette. That is in 8D, I believe. I really like that palette, you know, like, I think, how much was it even? I can't remember. But Morphe these days, is it Morphe or Morphe? Whichever one. These days, they've been doing like 50% off. So get on the website, get your stuff 50% off and call it a day, okay? But this palette is pretty good because it just makes my contour a bit more defined. But I feel like maybe it's too dark for me. So maybe I should get a lighter one because I think this is for like, you know, dark people. I'm dark, but not that dark. But otherwise, the palette's really good. It's really pigmented. It does the job. And here we go with the mess that I created, trying to blend out that last minute that last minute highlight. And yeah, I said, who sent me? I fixed it eventually, but it still wasn't cute. Like, you can tell that something went wrong there, so let's just avoid it. Don't do it. So a bit more about that face palette. It comes with a brightener. I have no clue what that's meant to do. It doesn't brighten my face, but I think for the right shade it would work great. It comes with a brightener. It comes with 2 blushes, 3 contour colors and 2 highlights. Yeah, so you did get quite a lot for your money's worth, to be honest. So have a look into that, guys. You might like it. I think I might do a video with all the new things I have, all the new products I've bought. If you're on my Snapchat, I know you guys don't ask for it, but I do it anyway, okay? When I buy stuff, I'm like, guys, this is what I got. It's good, it's not good. No one asked me, but I don't care, okay? I'm gonna show it anyway, okay? But yeah, I might do a YouTube video, just showing you guys everything I've got. And yeah. Do you guys see what I mean when I say I think that palette is too dark for me? Because that contour is really contouring, like, it's that boom boom. It's that proper, like a line. So really and truly, I should have blended that out. Now that I'm watching it back, I should have blended that out. But we move. This is a new product as well. It's a face powder from the Body Shop. It's really good. I really like it. And I think it was, what, £8? I definitely recommend you guys try it out. It's really, the pigment is making sense, and it's also good if you're oily, if you get oily, because it also has like oil controlling properties as well. It's really good. I would personally recommend it. Give it a go. So now I've done my lashes, I've done my eyeliner, I've lined the bottom part of my waterline, and now I'm just going over the liner with some brown contour shade from that Morphe face palette. So that's what I'm doing now. I've been doing this recently. I quite like the smoky kind of like effect it gives, but then it makes my eyes look bigger as well, and I have big eyes, so I don't think it's something I'll do every day, but I like the look still. I'm going over the edge of my highlight into my contour just to blend it out a bit more, because I didn't like how, you know, harsh the line was looking. And now I'm going to get started with my wig. I told you guys I cannot curl to save my life, so please do not judge these curls, okay? The struggle curls, okay? And I'm just doing lip gloss here. So what I do these days when I have a wig on is obviously I do the melt band. Honestly, that thing is a lifesaver. Then I just go over the edges of the lace with my foundation brush. I don't add any more foundation, it's just whatever's on my brush. It just really helps blend the lace into your skin, I found. I felt like I lost some depth in my cheeks, so I'm just going over with my Beauty Babe bronzer, just to add a bit more color. I like these bronzers. Again, I'll show you everything that I got recently, so you know, don't worry about that. So I'm using some of my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Honestly, this is the best concealer for this that I've found out of like all of my concealer stuff. This is the best concealer because it really just looks like my scalp. I'm sorry, like it's the perfect shade. So yeah, I've been using that a lot for my wigs. Yeah. So now I'm going to attempt to try to fix these curls. Using this was really helpful actually, because it really helps get rid of all the frizz. I'll put it in the description box as well. Like, it helps the curls look a bit more curly. It just looked a bit more defined, so I'd recommend getting that product. And just a reminder, this is a closure, not a frontal, a closure. But obviously, you know, I tried to like finesse it, but yeah, it's a closure. this was me getting upset because I was like, oh, what kind of curls is this? The curl is not curling. It's like a straight curl. So I tried to like fix it, but it just, yeah, I tried to curl it, you know, off camera and stuff. It just wasn't working. But I did what I could. This is me fixing my eyeshadow again. Who are these people making noises outside of my door? Hello? Yeah, so this is me just adding a bit more dark liner. So I'm trying again to... Oh goodness. I'm trying again to curl and it's like, okay, it's kind of working, but then what about the rest of it? It's just like, it just wasn't making sense. I need to take some classes or something, I don't know, or watch some videos. And listen here, by the end of this year, I will be a pro at this, okay? Stay tuned, okay? Stay what? Stay tuned. I will be a pro. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye.